this is Aman, and today we are going to learn C Sharp. I have opened the website elearning.onlinehacker.com. So here if I go to text courses, then there is a C Sharp tutorial. There are also video courses which you can go through. So today I am going to make you learn C Sharp. Okay, this is the page for the C Sharp tutorial. Let's go through this. C Sharp overview. So what is C Sharp? C Sharp is a programming language. It is pronounced as C Sharp. Like you can see here, we have written C hash, but we pronounce it as C Sharp. Why it came in the universe? Human interacts with each other through some language like English, Hindi, Chinese, etc. Similarly, to teach computer, human uses programming language. Why it is not possible to communicate in English with computers? English seems to be easy, but when it comes to teach to a machine, it becomes very tough. For people who don't understand each other's language, mostly communicates with gestures. Similarly, in a programming language, we have made some specific keywords and patterns by which computer understands human. Is C Sharp the only programming language? No, as there are multiple companies in market, anyone has the right to develop its own programming language. For example, Microsoft created C Sharp language, Sun Microsystems created Java language, and Google created Go language. C Sharp introduction. C Sharp is a programming language used to create different types of applications such as desktop application, web application, and mobile application. Web application is also known as website, which runs on browser. C Sharp is developed by Microsoft and it runs on .NET platform. C Sharp is similar to C, C++, and Java language. It was developed by Anders Hejelsberg and his team within the .NET initiative that approved by the European Computer Manufacturers Association (ECMA) and International Standards Organization (ISO). C Sharp 1.0 version was released in 2002, and now the current version of C Sharp is 8.0, which was released in 2019. Who should learn C Sharp? C Sharp is one of the famous programming language, and anyone who has basic knowledge of computer can start learning C Sharp language. But if you are a student, then you should seriously take this opportunity to learn. If you learn and clear our certification test, that would give you a great confidence, and this certificate will definitely help you in your job interviews. Only 20% students are able to clear this certificate test, and it is one of the toughest tests that you will appear in this course. C Sharp version. C Sharp 1.0 version was released in 2002, and now the current version of C Sharp is 8.0, which was released in 2019. So you can see here there are number of versions that came from January 2002 to September 2019. In the .NET version, you will see that there are two types of versions. One are .NET Framework and one is .NET Core. So .NET Framework is supported only for the Windows operating system, and the .NET Core is supported by all operating system like Mac or Windows or Linux. You can see here the IDE Visual Studio, which was earlier Visual Studio .NET 2002. Now the latest version is Visual Studio 2019.